least it's going down. That redness is going down on your damn boy. It was that bad. Shit, man. Boy, you pop something, boy. Oh my gosh.
I think you're right, G. I think you're right.
Shit. No, I saw that. You didn't see how I was looking. I was like, Dwayne, what the?
No, I know, bro.
Dwayne, that's serious right there, boy. You gotta take at least a couple. I know you took a couple of days off from working out and stuff.
No, I haven't taken no days off from working out. I'm not doing upper body.
Okay, got you.
So no upper body movement for probably like the next month or two.
Okay.
Just to make sure it's safe. I'm gonna actually go get it checked as well. I'm debating if I fly over to Mexico this weekend, go see my doctor.
You might as well with that payout.
What's up, Israel? What's up, YouTube? Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers and Legacy Wealth Society and the YouTube family as well. Good morning, everybody. We're going to make some money today. That's our goal. We're going to stay safe today in the markets, not rushing, just taking our time, waiting for our executions. We got Mr. Carmona and G so far in the Zoom call right now with us. So those are the voices you're currently hearing. I know they're celebrities at this point for y'all. But we're going to have some fun today. Waiting for our moves, base hitting, and we're keeping it moving. Have you tried the plus 500 account to... No, Israel, I have not. If you trade with prop firms, you don't have to be plus 500 account. Just saying. My trainer's joining the Legacy Wealth Society today. He texted me saying, bro, send me the link. I want to learn. I'm like, all right, fam. All right, I got you. I was debating, should I charge him to join the community? You know what I'm saying? Like, since he's charging and make me work out with him.
Business is business.
All right, business is business. Let me actually mark my charts up here because I have not done that yet. That's kind of crazy, actually. My overnight high from, what would that be? Today's Wednesday, so Monday night's overnight high. We just broke through it earlier this morning. So, interesting. Let me mark all this good stuff up.
I'm not here to talk about my overnight high.
What's up, Steve? How you doing, bro?
Who's Steve, man?
You Jive Turkey. Israel, trade with prop firms, bro. You don't have to worry about how much money you have in your account to trade micros or minis. What's up, Rob? Good morning, sir. All right. I got everything marked on my chart here. Want to see how we're going to actually open and react today because we have 10:30 news, I believe, today. I'll check that here in a moment as well.
Yeah, please check that because I was reading some different things. So
okay. Yeah, we got looking at it right now. We got 10:30 news. So the European Union has news at 10. The U.S. has 10:30 news.
Hey,
So
Dwayne, on the daily chart, it's looking like a bull flag.
on the daily.
Yeah, I don't know if that's too big of a in the chart, but on the daily one, it looks like a bull flag.
I do see that as well. I'm checking out right now. Yeah, that is looking like a bull flag.
Hopefully.
Hey, from your lips to God's ears, bro. Let's see what happens. Let me actually get my doodle lines ready. Gotta get them prepped. Gotta get them prepped. Because you never know when we gotta call them into action. I woke up today slightly tired. Slightly tired. I think I can't sleep with my fan on me anymore. Because I've noticed when I don't sleep with my fan directly on me, I wake up a little bit more energized. But when I'm sleeping with my fan directly on me, I wake up slightly tired. No clue. No clue.
Hey, Duane, on the hourly chart for today, where it's at right now, is basically where it's been getting resistance for the day.
Okay. Yeah, that previous hour candle, we got that massive selling look as well. So we want to get above that pivot point, above the pivot for me to even want to be looking for longs or anything like that.
Okay.
Just looking at that.
We just gotta be smart and take it. We gotta be clinical.
Yep. That's all we're going to be today. Patiently waiting for our moves to execute. I know you guys don't FOMO in trades or anything like that, like I do sometimes.
Oh, you listen. I'm gonna have to talk to you after stream. Where are you? Are you gonna come to my office?
So those two accounts, I need less than about $1,200 to get those two accounts passed. We'll take that. Let's check on some Lucids. All right, yeah. So just for all the new folks on the YouTube streams, everything like that, this week I am working more so on getting some more evals passed than my funded accounts because I'm trying to be max allocated with 5 funded accounts with Tradeify and Lucid. I currently have 11 Apex accounts funded. I also have 2 fundeds with Tradeify and 2 fundeds with Lucid, but I'm trying to get the full 5 with both because I'm shooting for the biggest payout of my trading career in the month of May. It's north of $20,000 and less than $50,000.
There you go.
You know, for anyone that was wondering, oh, what's the biggest? So that's what I'm shooting for the month of May. I've already taken multiple payouts for the month of April. So that's why I'm just getting everything prepared. You know what I'm saying? For May now.
I know what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying?
I have a question though. Are you gonna trade those evals with discipline? Because sometimes you're just kind of fucking around. But excuse my language. But so now you're gonna be trading those evals just like funded because you're trying to build them.
Yep, trading them just like fundeds. Because listen, yesterday I could have traded some of them for that drop. I cut myself off yesterday, so I was extremely proud of myself because I cut myself off.
Well, good for you. I mean, yeah, that's seriously. It sounds sarcastic, but who among us hasn't just gone 8? That's crazy. We have 45 seconds to open, gentlemen.
Alrighty. Put your hard hats on, strap your seatbelts on. We're getting ready. Are we going to the moon or are we dropping through the waterfall? What's going to happen here? I'm excited. I'm waiting until 9:45 to execute any trades, unless the momentum's just so crazy I have to take it. But
wow, there's like an asterisk today. This is
there was an asterisk today. We're good. We're good.
No, I'm just it's like when somebody drops a new track, you listen.
10 seconds. 10 seconds for market open here. We going up or we going down, boys? What do you guys think? I think we may push.
I think we'll do the Big Jack Joogie.
Well, we pushed for a second there. All right, came down, just tapped that 21 EMA. Man, I'm slacking. I did not give you guys the 21 EMA or the VWAP this morning. VWAP is sitting at 829.25. 829.25. And the 21 EMA sitting at 852.50. 852.50.
I wasn't going to ask because I always show up in a Carmona. It's like, say it again. Steve's here. I knew I'd catch it sooner or later.
Yeah, we're gonna see what happens. We got 10:30 news today. 10:30 news today. My legs are so sore. It's crazy.
My legs are so sore. How sore are they?
Too sore. Too sore.
They're so sore that your mother.
No, since I can't do upper body right now, we've only been doing like legs and cardio.
Well, you know, I mean, it's imbalanced, but there is a benefit to it because I've had to do that in certain instances, and you know, building that major muscle group is going to give you more metabolic pacing and things. I mean, you're going to be like crazy, and then you're just going to be like King Kong once you start lifting again.
I'm excited to be able to lift again. I am excited for that. So that way I don't have to do legs every single day in the gym right now. But yesterday we did squat. We were doing squats, leg curls. We were doing it all. And then he had me on this circuit. We would do our squats, shuffles, everything like that. And then I had to go jog the parking lot. He wasn't taking it easy on me yesterday. He's like, bro.
Like I put my weight room outside, like it's at my house, but it's outside. So, like the heat is like another like challenge. So you love it. I'm totally for that. Who needs AC when you've got a dream?
Well, I like AC. I do like AC. But I will say, jogging, everything like that, my knees have not been hurting.
Yes, it's only when you dance, if I remember.
You know, that Cupid shuffle, you know what I'm saying? Like, it be getting me sometimes.
That one dance you did for your sister's wedding put all knees back for at least 3 weeks. I mean,
all right, we're coming on down here to this VWAP here. I'm honestly, with the way the market opened, I'm just sitting back relaxing right now, just trying to see what's actually going to happen today. The Cupid Shuffle be getting everybody. Oh, I love the Cupid Shuffle, Rob. Like, that's my jam. That come on, it's hard to keep me off that dance floor.
That and electric slide. Somebody's getting married every time he does it. I swear.
All right, we're 3 minutes in. Hopefully you guys are staying alive so far.
We're living.
Look at this opening candle here. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Look at that 5-minute candle. We're in the range. Well, we were in the range from yesterday.
Yeah, I was watching it last night. When I jumped off, I mean, you know, when I said about the flag, I got $510, like
nice.
Set up, and then I just stopped, and then I was good.
Hey, make your money and go. That's it. I will not have it any other way. You print, you get off, you enjoy your life.
You were laughing at me though. I'm like, I see a flag.
Yeah, you said, I see a flag. I gotta go. All right, we're back in that range from yesterday. Yeah, like today's opening momentum made it where I did not want to even touch it. So
I agree.
I'm just trying to get these accounts past this week. Then I'm going to do another set of accounts next week. So that'll put me right into May, having all my accounts fully funded. And we're just going to base hit it across 24 accounts or something like that. And we're going to get a crazy payout.
There seems to be a lot of resistance around that 820 level.
Yeah, right now I see that as well. Trying to.
Duane would like to see a flag.
Yeah, so this area, right? This 813 area, that's below the 15-minute range right now. We got a lot of wicks down here. Lots of wicks previously. Honestly, just wait till the market cleans up and starts moving. And not moving sideways either. We like moves up or down, not sideways.
And just it's sitting on a Camarillo pivot, like the R3. So I mean, it's all around there. So those are the ones I use sometimes if I'm overnight. And
yeah,
it's all parking right on top of that line.
Okay.
Just like 2 ticks.
Yeah, we're sitting right here currently at the VWAP as well. 830.50. 830.50 for that VWAP there. We're just chilling and waiting. That's it. Good morning, Moose. Don't come in here all sneaking. Good morning, sir. He's not awake yet, folks. He's not awake yet.
Like this. Moose, the first thing he said, well, it's like Rocky. You can't even make it out. It's kind of They say retracement just for old time's sake.
It's going to be traced a little bit right now.
Oh my goodness. I think he just got home. And with the time change, he would have been home at 2:30, but he got home at 9:30. It must have been like in Alaska time or something.
I got home like
I wonder how that works when you're in Alaska, when it's the season when it's only light, right? I wonder how that works when you like go to like the club.
There was somebody that went up there and they were showing pictures and they're like, it looked just like totally like you would see here, and like, oh, that's 2:30 in the morning, and like the sun is out and they're sitting in the back. It's like that's like weird, man.
Yeah, I don't know about that one for myself.
And the flip
Here comes. This may be our little bear flag right here. Let's see if we either get a bear flag or we're going to build a bull flag. But I feel like it's going to be a bear flag. Once we get below that VWAP at that 830, this may be our little bear flag here.
Hey, Duane, when you're looking for the retracement, is it the retracement from the 15-minute level? 15-minute chart, or is it just a retracement from the opening?
Who's looking for a retracement?
I'm just trying to be aware of when I see a retracement, it's off of the 15-minute chart or a lesser chart.
For me personally, I'm never looking for the retracements, to be honest with you. I'm just simply looking for the flags. That's it. So I know like Moose with his strategy that he's put together, he looks for retracements. Maybe he can step in here and communicate what type of retracements he's looking for.
I look at the 15-minute, right? So I mean, I look at it as an overall, right? Like right now, towards the end of this 4-hour candle, I'll look for a 5 and a 2-minute retracement. So
okay.
if you look at the 5-minute right now, right, we had a big drop. It's gonna hit my 50 and my 9 EMA, and to me, if it stays bullish, that's the retracement candle because we already had one bearish that broke through. And then I minimize it down to the 2-minute. I'm like, okay, the 2 minute just had a retracement, which is at 9:36, and it's gonna. The second one was a bearish 9:38, but you gotta see like you gotta put everything together. You know what I mean? But I look for breakthroughs, retracements, come back. You feel me?
Okay. Yep.
So I put my top yellow line there just in case this wants to act like a little bull flag here as well.
Man, he's playing both sides of the coin, ladies and gentlemen. Both
Hey,
sides.
that's the perks of the way we trade. We can make money in either direction. It does not matter.
I was talking to somebody like last week, and they're like, "That's impossible." I'm just like, "Okay, well, whatever you believe." It's like, you know, if that's gonna be your belief, then stick with it. I think that's the single most hardest thing, though, Duane. Is like, because everybody kind of has a bias, you know, just at least I do.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, I just like throwing that on the wind, like anything is possible.
Yeah. It's one of those things where for me, we can't afford to be biased because the market doesn't care about our bias for the day.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's just because I traded traditionally for so long.
Yeah. So we popped above my top yellow line there, but we rejected. And we got that 21 EMA up there as well. So in order for me to ever want to go long, we got to get above that 21 EMA, which is sitting right around 846.25, 846.25 there. So we got to get above that, maybe build a flag above that and make it a little bit safer. But this could also be us trying to build some structure here for a bear flag. So that's why I'm waiting. That's it. I got 3 more minutes till I'm clear to trade, and I will gladly wait all 3 minutes here.
I see everything you said, and I agree.
That 5-minute candle with that big old selling wick there. But we got to get through this VWAP for me and want to take it short once we get lower. We got to get through this VWAP.
And get a couple points past it, so then pull it right back.
Yep. Because right now we're stuck in between the VWAP and the 21 EMA. So, yeah, just hold and wait. Hold and wait, boys. All right, there's just push through that 21.
She's going up.
There we go. Morning, Steven.
And G, big G.
What's going on, compatriot? Want to touch that 860?
Didn't we already touch the 860? Yeah, we already tapped it.
It went back down.
Yeah.
Twice. It went up to it twice.
Yeah, right now this is a no trade zone. We gotta wait to get away from the 21 and that VWAP there.
Yeah, because it looks like it might build a flag, but it's got to get past that bull.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, that's it. You know you want to go to the 60?
Are you in a trade right now, G?
No.
Okay. Just making sure. Come on, go to that 860.
He's just practicing for later.
I'm waiting, man.
Hey, we get paid to wait. We get paid to wait at the end of the day. Because by you waiting, that's when you get those A+ setups. What was that?
What's up with that Ninja wrinkle? I still can't find it.
You don't have it? I thought you had it yesterday.
No, I've been trying to look for it and I can't.
Hang on, isn't it in the group, Duane?
Oh, you put it in the group?
Let me see.
Mine says the Ninja wrinkle.
Yeah, NIN, capital Z, little A, big R, Franco, 8/4.
Oh, it's in the 60. Oh, shit.
Morning.
If it holds, well, I may jump ahead.
Well, we have a opening range, and Duane is about to tell us. He's just waiting for a minute.
Yeah, I was looking in the community. My bad, folks. So the low of this 15-minute range, the low of the range is 813.75. 813.75. The high of the range is up there at 892.75. 892.75. So right now we're in the range, right?
We're in the range.
I'm not really feeling it right now. I need some clean movement. Clean movement. So we can execute. Because I feel like right now it's just like it's moving but it's slow. I don't know what's been up with the market. It's been moving slow lately. I don't like that for the New York session. The Asian session, the London session, I get it. Lower volume. But these morning sessions should be a little bit faster. What's up, Red? Good morning, sir. Because right now for me, I would probably, I'm just playing extra safe today, I guess, because the market's not moving the way I want today so far. I may wait for it to break out of the 15-minute range and not take anything until then, but we'll see. We'll see if we get some flags, but we need momentum. We need momentum right now.
You're going to orbit in a minute.
Hopefully all you guys on YouTube are staying safe in the markets today. No reason to risk it for the biscuit. Take your time, wait for those A++ setups, and follow your rules. You'll actually get the results.
Yeah, I'm not interested in diddling in the middle, like right off the bat. It's like not even 950, and it's like YOLO.
Like I kinda no. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not even gonna say what I was about to say.
He wants to diddle in the middle.
No, I don't want to diddle in the middle. She looking heavy. That's all. She looking heavy.
Hey, Duane. So what I'm using partially, since I don't have the wrinkle chart, I'm using the basic entry, and you know how it has ask, bid, and last, and they fluctuate between green and red. I'm using that as my wrinkle.
Okay.
We'll get you
It's
set
been
up,
working
man.
for me.
Hey, if it's working for you, we'll take that.
We'll find the ninja wrinkles for you.
Yes, sir. Appreciate that.
We tapped my bottom yellow line there. We did tap that bottom yellow line. Let's see if we build another flag to get below that yellow line there, but
Looking heavy.
let's see if we get through that line with some follow through, and I'll take it if we have follow through. Back above the VWAP. me do this while we're waiting on that. Yeah, that's not it. I gotta focus because I'm about to miss a move possibly. So we pushed a little bit below that yellow line, but we don't have that follow through yet.
No, it's too buoyant right now. You're gonna be like shorting into a wick unless you get the momentum.
Come on, Betsy. All right, 355 on 2 accounts right there. We'll take that. Let me get back to what I was looking for.
Don't you have it? Where's the part of the there's that one area where you put all that stuff in the community.
Well, I had stuff in the vault, but the Rinkos that I originally had in there, I think you found a better one. Let me check the vault real quick.
It's Ninja Renko.
So, Jose, in the community, I got Renko bars that you could download in the vault under the strategy.
Are those the Ninja Renkos?
These are the Uni Renkos, but they're pretty much the same thing. But I'll try finding that Ninja. Let me jump. Okay, Mark is pushing up. Yep, not missing anything. Let me do this real quick.
Yeah, I tried looking up indicators and it's not giving me any type of wrinkle.
Well, it's like
It's not an indicator. It's not an indicator.
Oh, okay.
But you also have to add it. It's like it's a third party thing.
What's up, BP?
And believe me, it's worth it to have the same one he has because I had the other ones and it was kind of like you had the last year's video game console and everything else was kicking ass, and you're like, man, I can't see that, and they're just like, well.
I'm clicking around. I'm checking.
Clicking, sticking.
Yeah, so the one I put in the vault, that should be good, but I also want to find the exact one. Because I did put some Renko bars in that vault in the community. But I'll have to check in a couple minutes here. Jason, I like Renkos personally. They help with the momentum. BP, how you doing this morning, brother? Did you run ducks this weekend? I did not run ducks this weekend.
didn't tune into the Trader Hangout at all.
We had a traders meetup on Saturday at Top Golf. The last 4 swings in the market have been manipulated. I wouldn't expect anything less, BP. Now let me rotate off these accounts, go to the other accounts. And we keep the party going. That's it. And make sure my copy trader is all jazzed up and ready.
If you hear me, I sent you something.
Since pre-market asked Steve to confirm between NQ and ES, every swing is SMT. That wasn't me. That wasn't me.
That was not me.
Ah, you got me.
Carmona.
It was like the timing was perfect on that. Everything
Are you in the short?
You in the short or sell? I mean, buy.
I'm in a short, and I'm currently up 4 points. Oh, I went down. But
You're a brave man, because I see that EMA right there.
Uh-huh. And the middle of the 15-minute range.
And the wick of Jesus.
The wick of Jesus.
I'm over here telling on myself. I gotta put this on mute.
I gotta put it on mute. That's awesome.
I think G did the best one of all time. We're absolutely gonna wait the 15 minutes. Order fill.
Yeah, we're sitting literally right here, close to this middle of the 15-minute range. For me personally, we don't diddle in the middle, boys. Like, let's get some movement and then see how the market wants to act, because right now we're going sideways.
Well, see, this is why, you talk about the after hours. That's one thing that it taught me, is because it does move slow. Like, if you jump in and just think, hey, I'm going to do it, to come back like an hour later, or like a one time, I threw a trade on and I woke up in the morning and it was like, I made like $10 because it was just kind of like just dawdling the whole night. So
Yeah.
You have to look for the move.
Oh, like I got tempted right there. I think I see something that they were trying to print, but I'm not taking because we're right here at the middle of the 15-minute range.
That looks crazy.
Well, that's looking like a little potential bull flag right there.
Stay above the 860s. Stay above the 860. If we go above 860 and hold, I may jump in.
I just need some momentum right now. I need that big old mo so I can jump on in.
Not gonna lie, this week, man, I'm gonna call this week choppy. Goodness,
Stop it, B. Be nice, B. That's hilarious, bro.
I had to pull away from the charts for a minute because it starts getting too tempting right now.
Well, from what I'm seeing is bear flags, and from the opening of the 15-minute or the opening of the market, it's been getting lower lows and lower highs.
Hey Duane, there's no more $35 account. Yeah, it's $175 now.
Don't buy anything right now.
No.
Because they'll have the discounts and all that in like a couple days.
No, I'm not gonna buy anything. I'm just saying.
Which prop firm?
That's Apex he's talking about.
Oh yeah, man.
They don't have any more.
Why don't Apex? They need to come out with that no fee, man. They need to have a no fee, like the rest of these other ones, like how you have that option where you could just you don't have to pay the activation fee for to get the funding. I wish Apex was like that.
Look, I'm saying, 'cause I know Duane wanted to add more accounts.
Yeah, but these. Well, I guess just off one, because well, you get all those counts and then off one, you can just pay for like, let's say if you got like 10, 11.
All right, close out there. 530 on 2 accounts. I saw the play. I took the play. Yeah, I locked in profits.
Do your thing.
What time is it? 10 o'clock? Yeah, 10 o'clock.
So up for the day about $1,700. Solid day. It's only 10 o'clock.
15-minute retracement?
Yeah, look, all right, so now look, right? Look at the 15-minute 9:30. That retracement, even though the following 9:45 had a long wick and it pushed up, that 15-minute was your retracement candle. And you can take this to about maybe 10, like 10:20, 10:15, and then it should go up a little more. I mean, you're gonna have some slight retracements, but the direction is up. You feel me?
Just hit that pivot point up there. You don't like prop firms? Why not, bro? You must not like them because you had to work on getting a little bit more consistent, brother. Because if you're a consistent trader, you will like prop firms. So we hit that pivot 898 level. We had that pivot. Let's see if we build another bull flag here. I took that previous bull flag and I locked in some profits just to make sure my mouse was working. You know what I'm saying? We got to always double check. You never want to be trying to trade with the mouse that ain't working. Just saying.
Or internet that's slow.
Yeah, or internet that's slow. And that's the only thing I'm slightly nervous about when I'm in Portugal this year, because last year the internet was somewhat okay. I would have to ask like some of my market makers that were on those streams when we were on the Zoom calls.
Yeah.
I gotta make sure the internet's dialed because I'm streaming so much more now where we can't afford to have laggy internet. So that's the one thing I am working on currently, trying to make sure we got everything in order.
Well, what is the villa that you're staying at? Did they talk about the speed of their internet? Maybe they could send you like some, send you like a speed test that you know.
Yeah. Well, the Airbnb we got does have internet, Wi-Fi, all that stuff.
I'm just saying you could just ask them, like, run a speed test, and so I can know like what the bandwidth is.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm gonna ask her to do that for us. Since we're staying at my girl's sister's friend who rents out an Airbnb because they're going to Switzerland for the summer. So we're renting their house. So we broke out the 15-minute range. We came right back into the 15-minute range. That's all a good sign there. That's all a good sign. That's the market acting how the market's supposed to when we break out of the 15-minute range. And right now, let's see what happens. We may get us a little bull flag right here. We push through that pivot with follow through. I'll be taking it. Keyword through that pivot because I don't want to get in before the pivot because you don't want it to run up, tap it, and reject. Just saying. Been there, done that.
Come on, Betsy.
Yeah, come on, girl. Come on now.
Come on, Bessie.
I may be done actually taking trades today. We'll see. Yeah. I'm $1,700 already.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it's all about locking it in and coming back the next day. That's it. Base hits.
Just like that. Just like that.
Dang, bro, your inner arm okay? Sean T, good morning. Yes, my inner arm is okay. So last Monday, let's see if I can rotate that a little bit. I partially tore a muscle in my chest going and the tendon going to my arm, bench pressing with my trainer. So right now I'm down. I can't do any upper body for like the next month and a half, which is sad to say, but it's getting better. It's actually less purple and red today than it's been.
Hiding your sleeves. You didn't show that to us. I could have told you exactly what was going on, you jive mother.
No, I showed it on stream before. All right, so we went up, we broke out that 15-minute range, and we rejected. So the bottom of this range is up for play right now. It is up for play. We're right here at the middle of this 15-minute range. I would be expecting us to build a bear flag here to take us lower.
Like BP said, this is like manipulation, man. It's just like, seriously, they're making it dance.
And it's fun to do the dance if we know what dance we're doing.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, whatever, Duane.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
So are you looking at the 2-minute? If it builds into a bear flag and stays low, which is already kind of not doing, but if it closes lower and then tries to head south of that EMA, it looks like we're heading back north.
Yeah, we got that big old buying wick on that 5-minute. The Cupid shuffle. We're shuffling. We are shuffling. Like I said, I want to get above that pivot to take a long.
Yeah, because that's kind of what shut it down. Shut it down.
Because we're still in the 15-minute range right now.
Not for long. Well, we danced to the one side to the other side.
Ever think about Mr. T-Saw Mohawk? Whoa. All right, we're above that pivot. Made new highs there.
That may sound like a big jump.
Yeah, be careful right here. Be careful right here. I have not thought about Mr. T-Saw Mohawk because your boy is freaking bald, bro. You think I'm thinking about Mohawk being bald, fam?
Well, you're bald because you keep having your our good friend Moose come by every week.
I did actually touch up my baldy yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Because I either have to do it Monday or Tuesday, or if I get to Wednesday, I can't touch it because Moose comes on Saturday. You know what I'm saying?
Every time, like, let me just fix it for you. Every time you see a white guy with a bald head, it's because they have the male pattern baldness, like the Ed Asner haircut, and they're trying to be cool. You know what I mean? But in your case, you actually could grow like a crazy like mohawk.
I could, but I'm not going to.
Yeah, thank God Duane don't got a cul-de-sac up there.
Well, no, I started having, like, my dad has it too, like a little bald spot on the back where it's thinning. I'm like, you know what? Just cut it off, Moose. Cut it freaking off. He's like, no, I can't. I'm like, dude, do it. I'm paying you to cut my hair. Cut it off.
He made you move your head to the trimmer.
Yeah, he put the his trimmer on my head. He's like, if you want it off, you gotta make the movement. Move your head forward. I'm like, eek! And that's when he knew it was real.
And then he had to leave, so you're walking around with like a reverse mohawk for a week.
A reverse mohawk for a week. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets. I'm chilling right now. I am not pushing anything. Listen, your boy is dialed in because I am shooting for the biggest payout of my trading career yet. Won't be my biggest, but right now it would be my biggest. For the month of May, I'm shooting for, it's more than 20 grand, less than 50 grand in payout for the month. And we're going to get it by doing base hits, showing up each and every day and staying consistent with our strategy. We're not switching it. We're not changing it. We're following the strategy to the T and executing. That's how we get the consistent wins. We're below this pivot point. Like I said, I don't want to take it long until we're above that pivot. And we need some momentum. Looking like another bull flag here, but I need more momentum.
There we go.
Come on, you see what I'm talking about?
Yep. Yeah, but I'm making I'm making a little profit here and there, so I'm happy.
Don't go too crazy. Remember, at this point right now, we're at the highest.
Yeah, I just got caught in it.
Yeah.
I saw the green for a second. I'm getting ready to kill this.
But we're at the highest point right now. So after this, it's like, where do we go? Because we don't know where it is. It's at the highest. You feel me? So right
Well,
now,
that pivot, that
look
R4
careful with
pivot, that R4 pivot is closer than any other pivot.
yeah, but I mean, I don't know.
No, I get you. I've seen the dailies, and it looks like a bull flag, and it reached the highest that it's been, so I'm only hoping it keeps going. Hoping.
Come on, Betsy. Give me that momentum, or else I'm closing this.
Come on, Bulls.
And we're right on this pivot. I hate being in a trade right up. I may just close this out.
No, not yet. I mean,
Nah, I'm not trusting nobody. I gotta trust my gut. I need some clean momentum here, or else I'm just gonna kill this and take the L on it.
you're at the very top, right?
I thought we were going to have a little bit more push, so I took it.
On the candle in the 2 minute.
Consolidation's coming through.
It needs a run here. The Bulls need to run it for me to keep this trade open. Let's see if they get the push here. I would expect that they do with that buying wick on that 2 minute there.
So wait, so this is all just a teaching lesson that you were just showing, like you're not scalping today.
No, that's not what I was trying to do. I'm expecting this full push here.
But Phil,
A lot of orders being filled right now.
Having some issues right there. Trying to stall. Let's see if we get the full push.
There we go.
Order submitted.
I closed out. It's going to keep running, but I locked in. I'm done. I got... Your boy had quit. You know what I'm saying? Quit when you're ahead. But there you go, boys. That was that bull flag. We pulled back slightly. I wasn't going to let it go too far down, but we just hit that first target from the 15-minute range. Crazy. 932. 932 we just crossed through. That's my first target there. I would expect us to possibly build another bull flag up here now to take us to my second target up at 972. I feel like 27,000 is getting hit today. 27, mark my words, 27,000. 27,000 wants to get tapped today.
Come on, are you still in?
No, Carmona maybe, not me.
No, I went out.
I went out.
I'm looking for a red candle so I can jump in on this bull flag.
At this time, I'd say 10 o'clock 30 start. Yeah, just wait for a little while.
We got news at 10:30. News at 10:30 today as well for the U.S.
14 minutes, baby.
I'm going to rotate.
So what I'm talking about, Carmona?
Yeah. I'm here. I'm hoping this candle stays red.
All right, let's see if we build us another bull flag right here. But I want us to use that first target of the 932.50. I want that to be the bottom for this flag here. I want that to hold the market up, hold the price up here. And then we use this area to build the flag to take us higher. I do not want to lose that 932 level. I want to see that level act as support for this flag to keep us pushing.
From your lips to Jose's fingers.
That's getting complex in here.
We got less than a minute on this candle. Less than a minute left on this 2-minute candle here. I'm patiently waiting. I want to see how this acts. Because my next target's up there. Yeah, I may take another trade. I'm up $2,000 for the day right now. And I may leave it at that. But if this works, we'll take it. But we have to have that momentum. We have to have momentum.
Submitted.
Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. All right, we got that buying wick on that current 2-minute candle. I wanted that candle to stay red. Hopefully the bears could pull it down just enough to keep that candle red. Less than 10 seconds now. Less than 10 seconds. Come on, keep it red. Keep it red. All right, cool. Kept it red. New candle's red as well, though. That's not what I wanted. Anyways.
Hey, look at that wick. Look at that wick. Come on, Bessie.
I want that 932 level to hold the price up. I want that to act as support.
Yes.
We got a selling wick on the 5-minute candle. Pay attention to that as well. Come on, give me some momentum. Just waiting. We're still above my target, my first target, that 932.75 area. Is this going to give us our full follow through? Let's go to my yellow line with follow through here so I can jump in for this potential bull flag right here. It's thinking about it. It's debating what it wants to do right now.
Well, it's just giving you a good show, Duane.
Man, Duane, keep calling them out, man, because I'm over here cashing in. I just muted my computer, though, so you can't.
Oh, that sucks. It's always fun. It's always fun when you can hear the order fills.
All right, I'll unmute it.
Thank you. It's like it's the best.
Especially when it comes in perfect timing.
Yeah, I mean that's like comedic relief, man.
All right, closed out right there. Just a nice little snipe right there off that bull flag. It's going to keep running, but I'm just base hitting and keep him moving. Look at that. Look at that, boys. If you stayed in, you just printed some more.
To the moon.
To the moon.
So let's see. Let me see how much we did today. I haven't put it on the screen here in a second.
Order fulfilled.
No.
Let me add this up here.
Oh, keep going up. Come on, you in?
2,500 bucks.
I secured the profits, but I'm looking at I'm looking.
Look at your 10, look at 1016. That was your retracement right there. See it?
All right, so we tap that second target that I had called out. Let's see if we get above it and build another flag
He would like to see a flag.
to take us to our next target, 27,1150. 27,1150. Like I said, that 27,000 wants to get tapped today.
Talking dirty, talking dirty.
Gonna tap that ass. Come on.
But I want us to have structure while we on the continuation up. So I want to see another bull flag print to let us know we're still going up.
I already got you, fam. I said that.
Oh, my bad. My bad, folks, if I'm repeating here.
And look, ask and you shall receive.
What's up, JB? What's up, Brent? JB comes in the chat. What's good, rich people? Oh, he talking dirty in the chat to all y'all. He calling y'all rich already. They're wealthy, brother. They're wealthy. They're wealthy.
Man, don't lie.
Yeah, he don't lie. JB don't lie. Brent, another day in paradise, bro. Simple base hitting like usual, and we keep it moving. Let's see if this is going to be our bull flag right here. Because until the bull flag stop printing, that's what I'm looking for.
7 seconds.
That 5-man candle got a little selling wick on it. That's okay. Looking at the 2-minute for the flag currently. Let me drop down to the 1 minute. Let's see what the 1 minute got going on.
Oh, he's going in on that 1 minute, baby.
Not liking the 1 minute. That's looking like a little bear flag on the 1. But we got that buying wick. So weren't you just up 1,700? I'm up 2,500 now for the day. What's up, Eli? Good morning. I took another snipe, donk.
Me too.
Fill.
It's a lollygagging. It's a way of saying, Duane, are you watching?
Oh, I'm watching. I'm like debating, do I execute another trade or not?
No, the Rinkos will be your guide. the Duane I know, like, will see the rank go.
Because it looks like we're getting that bull flag on the 5 minute as well now. Ooh, Nellies. Ooh, Nellies, boys. Gets me excited.
Battery 100%.
Good to know.
All right, we're above my second target here. Getting ready to hit highs again. There we go. Made a new high there. Lots of resistance right there.
Yeah, I got ink, saw green, saw the resistance popped out. I can re-enter.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to pop out as well. I'm not liking that resistance right there.
Once I saw it hit in the same spot, like, twice, I was like, okay, I'm going to lock in. And I do want to let you know we're at the 2.5 minute warning on the news, so just keep that in mind.
I closed off on that intel you just gave me, Steve. Appreciate you, bro. I don't like being in trades right before news coming out.
Yeah, and all of a sudden they just like hit something and it does like an 8-inch like candle. Boom!
Those are the worst. Those are the worst.
Like you better have like a 150 account, and then still it's just like everybody else is grease.
Oh snap! I'm in profit. Just check now. Entered at 26,007. Hey, you're in really good profits if you enter down at 746, bro. And this thing's gonna run up to this 27,000 to make new all-time highs. And that's okay. I'm done trading for the day. I'm done. We put in over 2,500 bucks. It's like what now, like 2,700 bucks or something like that now. Like, no reason to push it. Just base hitting, folks. That's all we do. The base hits gets the consistent payouts. And then tomorrow, I will add 2 more funded accounts as well. And we simply just keep it moving. Hopefully all you guys are winning with us today, because I know the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society are straight crushing it today. So hopefully you guys are too.
Dwayne's finger's just getting warmed up.
No, I'm done. I'm done trading.
Oh, no, because it's like the news is going to happen. It's going to push it above your target at 27, and then the new Duane is going to arise as if he was reborn. And he's going to walk among us, and he's going to be recharged. He's going to, like, bless.
No.
Yep.
No, I'm done.
Yep.
I'm done. I'm gonna stay here, but I'm done trading.
Oh, okay. So every trade that you take, you're going to buy me an eval that you love so much.
Here comes that 27,000. Here comes that 27,000 here. 5 points away. 5 points away from 27,000. We're going to hit that thing. I called it out. I said we're going to hit that 27,000. So best believe we're going to hit that 27,000.
And just because you're talking over me doesn't change our new covenant.
we have no new covenant, sir.
Based on better promises.
All right, let's see. We build out another bull flag here on that 5 minute. Let me switch over so I could move my doodle up for y'all.
Last time Duane said he'd give me an eval, he sent me a postcard and all it said was eval. So
No, the last thing I sent you was that record, remember? Looking like this bull flag's gonna take us to that 27,000. Straight craziness. The flags, people, the flags always repeat themselves. So if you're like, oh, I can't decide what direction the market's moving, follow the flag. The flag will continue to repeat itself if we're in a bullish trend. If we're in a bearish trend, the bear flags will repeat themselves. It takes all the hard work out of trading. It's literally telling you what it wants to do. Bull flag, hey, I want to go up. Bear flag, hey, I want to go down. It's that simple. What's been your biggest payout? The most I've taken out so far in a month was like 12 grand. Yeah, I'm consistently getting up there each and every month. Where now, it's going to be even crazier.
can it get any crazier? I mean, could it truly?
So on the 2 minute, we had that little flag. That previous candle did not stay red though. So that's the only thing there. Okay, we're getting some volatility there in the markets. Just got some volume dumped into it. Oh, look at that short squeeze right there. Squeezing those bulls. Everybody, including myself, I'm looking for that 27,000. So what do the market makers do? They're like, okay, cool. Everyone wants 27,000. Let's throw some extra volume in the markets to squeeze people out before we go up. Interesting. We're in this weird spot because we're dumping here. Decisions. With that pull like that, I would, if the market's getting ready to like roll, so to speak, I want to look for a bull flag after this current 2 minute candle. Bear flag, I meant bear flag. If we're going to roll over. But I still feel like the bulls want to hit that 27,000. They were less than 4 ticks away, 4 points away. And I feel like we're still going to hit it. Let me bring a doodle up. There we go. We break below that bottom yellow line. That's the sell. We break above that top yellow line. That's the buy. And you literally, when you doodle like that, you get to sit back and relax and just wait. That's it. How's everyone doing on the YouTube streams? How we doing? Are we winning? Are we losing? Are we flat? Let me know how you guys are doing. I love to see and check the temperature of the room to make sure you guys are winning or learning. There's no such thing as loss, but you definitely can learn. What's up, Kenneth? Eli, the best I could do for you, bro, the best I could do for you for what you want, you would need to join the Legacy Wealth Society on one of the paid tiers. All right, we broke below my yellow line. Let's see if we get this bear flag right here. Let me drag that down a little bit more. Kenny, I never trade before 9 a.m. Eastern. I only trade after 9:45 Eastern time in the morning. And once I make my money, I'm done trading, bro. I've been done trading technically since like a little bit after 10. But we're still here making sure you guys are winning the market still.
If you see like the right direction, you might come out of retirement.
Possible. Hey, let's go, BP. Your strategy or you dabbling?
Is BP like? What did he say?
He's up 510. He's up 510 a day.
He doesn't come into the Zoom that BP. You know what I mean?
Why do you stop? I stop because you don't want to overtrade. Because once you start over trading, you start giving profits back to the market makers. I'm so tempted to jump in here. We're at the top of my yellow line. We're right here. But we're only like a couple points. Oh, man. What do I do? No, not going to click the button. Not clicking the button.
It goes above 27, and then it makes a new gold flag. You'll be clicking that button.
Yeah, above the 27,000, possibly. But that's a big number, 27,000. So
I'm just finishing your sentence for you.
have a good one, BP. See you tonight, brother. No, I do not trade options. I trade the Nasdaq futures, bro. Come on, Betsy. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? We got that buying pressure down there. Trying to push this price up here. Like I said, that 27,000 is up for grabs right now. That 27,000 is up for grabs. And it'll be a fast swipe too. It's going to be a quick swipe of it. Good job, Rhonda. Have a good one. This should be our swipe of 27,000. Let's see if we get it here. There's the swipe. There we go. There we freaking go. 27,000. New all-time high for the Nasdaq. 27,000 too. Craziness. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So for me personally, I had a third target up here right at 27,011.75. 27,011.75. Craziness. Market's absolutely just pumping. Not complaining about it.
Now if it makes that flag, and you see the flag,
No, I'm done. I'm done. I don't care what anybody says. Your boy's done trading for the day.
If it makes a flag and you feel the glory of the flag, would you possibly?
Nope.
Maybe. Think about it.
So
Giving it.
we hit that 27,625. We're back below 27,000 now. If we get below 990, I would expect us to at least possibly go down another 10 points. There's a 990. Let's see if we get down there to the 80.
This is the 80s. I'm all about the ladies. I can't believe you're pretending that you're not. If it's A plus and you turn it down, I would be sad.
No, I'm done. I'm done, Steve. I locked it in. I locked it in. What do you want from me, bro?
Wait, you're using my first name on here? I feel honored.
I feel honored. 4 points away, 3 points away from that 880 level. Well, 980 I meant.
880. I'm getting good.
And look at that. Did we tap that? I think we did. Crazy. We did tap. Did we tap it? Yeah, there's that 880 level. 980. I keep saying 880. 980, folks. We're still above my second target here. Still above the second target. If we get below that second target, I'll be looking for a short. But your boy's done trading. I called out way too many A+ plays today. If you did not win on it, I'm sorry. You weren't listening. Down. Not that I'm saying it's going to go down, but we just swiped a massive number, 27,000. And at this point, we've been very bullish the entire day. So I would expect some type of a pullback before it tries going higher. Hey, good job, bro. Good job. All right, just lost that second target there. Now I'm tempted to take a short, quick snipe, but I'm not going to do it. We locked in profits, and that's it. Sorry to hear that, Rob. You'll get it back tomorrow, brother. Enjoy your workout. All right, looks like we're going to build a bear flag here. Possibly. Bull flag forming. I wouldn't say a bull flag forming right now.
Hey, Duane, I'm sorry I was making joke figure expense. I feel bad.
Don't believe Steve. He does not feel bad whatsoever. He is a jokester. It is what it is. Trend is your friend, yes, but you also have to understand. Yes, the trend is your friend. You don't want to be fighting the market, right? But sometimes you could take a short even in a bullish market, right? And make money. You just have to know what you're doing. You have to have a strategy that works both directions for you.
Yeah, well, it's the scalability too. Like if you're in for the long haul, then you know the long term trend. But like overnight, I'm more interested in like following a trend and just bet and forget. But here, it's more just jumping in, taking, and getting out.
Yep. Yeah, but you just gotta know what you're doing when you're trying to go against the trend. We gotta get below the second target. If I was looking for a short, that second target was at 972 there. I would not be taking a short above 972.
Yeah, because it could just be consolidating and go higher.
Yeah.
We're humbled by your knowledge, and thank you for everything that you share. It's time that we talk about that.
Oh, just trying to make sure you guys are winning. That's it.
I told you many times that if it was anybody else that was doing this, I would have never even paid much attention because there's so many shysters and people that just have sayings or fake Ferraris or all that crap. But when you said you were doing it, there's integrity in that.
No, they have real Ferraris.
Yeah, you go to Chris and stand in the parking lot. How does 18-year-old kid get this Ferrari? Because he's standing in the parking lot next to somebody else's car.
But the Ferrari is real.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that 5 minute is real tight right now. That 5 minute is very tight.
It's consolidation. It's not trepidation.
Yeah. There's some little bit of selling pressure trying to step in on the 2 minute briefly. As long as we don't get above 98725, shorts could still be in play. But above 98725, then I wouldn't be as confident in the short. Right now, just straight consolidating. So this looks like it's about to roll over on that 2 minute. But we get above that. All right, we got above that 987 level. So all bets are off right now. All bets are off, boys.
Yo. Damn, it went over 27?
Yeah, we popped over 27 and then pulled back.
Then it pulled back, right?
Yep.
No, I'm done trading for the day anyway. I made enough.
You and me both.
Around this time, it starts consolidating. Right?
Listen, base hit and get the hell out.
Around this time, look at the 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles consolidated already. This time we start consolidating. Just nothing to it. Leave it alone.
This is looking like the bear flag I was watching. But we got to get below that second target for me to feel a little bit more confident about it. That 972 level, 972. Dive. Well, we got some buying pressure, so it may not dive. If we get below that 972, it may start diving then, but we got to get below that 972 for a short. And we're getting ready to go above my 987 level. So, yep. Just consolidating right now. So, honestly, hands off, people. Hands off.
Yeah, when it does go, it'll be a nice run.
Yep. Yeah, I won't be here for it, sadly.
Wait. Let's talk legacy. Legacy needs a lot of things. You will be here for it.
Yeah, that's a bear flag right there on that 2 minute.
It's
We're through that
coming up on
972 level.
It's coming up on my EMA too.
Let's see if it gets heavy.
Well, if it goes through that EMA, that'd be pretty impressive. Where's your EMA at?
My EMA is down at 958.
Oh, okay, I'm looking at the. Wait, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. I was looking at the 1 minute. I'm sorry. Yeah, 957. So it gets through there. Then what, doctor?
Hold on. I'm in a trade.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot you're not trading today.
Closed out right there. Now I'm officially done trading. I'm sorry. I had to. I had to. We had too much. I said below that 972. You know, like I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
How much you made on that trade, Duane?
That was a base hit. It was a base hit. That was like $400 or $500 right there added.
So you had like what, 1,000 for the day? Well,
On this account, I'm up 1,065. That's on 2 accounts because I copy traded.
Got you. Okay.
So for the day, we're like $3,400. So, and that's $3,400 just on 4 accounts.
Are any of those the sims that you're working on? Or all of them the sims that you're working on?
So all those were the evals that I said at the beginning of today's stream.
Oh, sorry, sims, evals. I meant evals, sorry.
Yep.
Dwayne doesn't sim. What the hell?
Trying to get all these freshly funded so that way roll into May. I'll be trading 24 funded accounts because I'm going for the biggest payout yet.
Amen.
And best believe when we hit that goal, it's above 20 grand, below 50 grand. When we hit that goal, we doing a crazy giveaway. I don't know what I'm giving away. I may give away a trading computer. Who freaking knows?
Oh my goodness. It's getting like all interesting.
But I will definitely be doing a big giveaway. Or I could probably give a couple, like, we'll do the duck raise, and it'll be a cash prize.
Tell me what, okay, so the duck race is something that's online, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the duck races, instead of having, I'm not sure if you ever see when I would spin the wheel for the giveaways, where now I found a duck race where it's little rubber duckies racing through water. It's hilarious. And everybody loves the duck race. And YouTube doesn't like look at the duck race as gambling. Even though the free giveaways, it's a giveaway, it's not gambling. Where when the spinning the wheel, they demonetize it because they assume it's gambling. Where with the duck race, they just see ducks racing. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's it.
What's funny is that we have ducklings in our yard right now, so every time you talk about the ducks and all that stuff, I'm just thinking about that.
Let's see. Did I do something?
You accidentally made money?
We don't accidentally do anything like that, sir.
Oh yeah, when you like the $3,400, but I didn't like that.
All right, so tomorrow, I need a base hit less than $300 to get these accounts fully funded with Tradeify. Because what I've been doing this time is what I've been doing them 2 at a time. Just to like make sure there's no pressure. I may add this 300 right now, actually. We got 4 minutes for 11. Let's see if we lose this 21 EMA. If we lose it with some momentum, I may take another short here. We do have buying pressure. But I want to stay below 972. We stay below, as soon as I said that, we pop right above 972. Gotta love it. We gotta get below this 21 EMA for me to even be considering a short.
You're absolutely right.
Because I would probably try riding it down to that first target for the day.
What is the first target?
From the 15-minute range, that first target was 932.50.
Got it.
But we're staying right above this 21 EMA right now. Come up on 11 o'clock as well. I may just call it and come back tomorrow and do some more base hits, and we keep it moving.
Well, let's see what it does.
Showing like a little bear flag there, but I need more momentum. Right on the 21 EMA right there. Yeah, this 21 EMA is holding us.
Not for long.
Watch my raincoats as well, waiting for that momentum to step in. We got less than pretty much a minute left. A minute left for 11. A minute left for 11 here.
We gotta go a little past to see the closure on the candle. Come on. Let's do it.
We do have that buying pressure. So we do have buying pressure. So that's why I was being very cautious on waiting for us to get below that 21 EMA. 30 seconds for 11 now. 30 seconds. All right, we're above that 972 level. 11 o'clock just hit as well. Come on, Betsy. What we going to do, girl? All right, there's the 21 EMA tap again. There we go. Well, those two accounts just got freshly funded right there on that trade. We got below that 21 EMA, like I said. And of course, it worked.
Now we have no resistance, so it's going to be a free fall. Waterfall, baby. If G was to sing Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls, would that be a copyright infringement? Or would that be
If he sings it, no, we're good. He could definitely sing it.
I just was asking, because maybe he could step in and make it happen.
Target's 932.50. 932.50 would be my target on this bear flag here. As long as we stay below that 21 EMA, that's what I would be targeting. Oh yeah, that 932 is calling collect right now. It's like, hey, what time you getting here? Tonight, folks, we got the traders hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're talking trading. We're talking life and everything in between. So make sure you hit the like button, the sub button on the YouTube streams, and you come back tonight to hang out with us. We're going to be fireside. Yes, fireside. Vibing up, listening to great music, and just chilling.
I love the fire ass saying that.
Because with this, I'm actually getting ready to get out of here. You know what I'm saying? Because there's nothing more I can do. I called out plays all stream long. If you took them, you printed. If you didn't take them, you still could have printed doing something else. Who knows? But I called out some serious plays today for y'all. Hopefully you won today. If not, tomorrow's a new day. Clean slate. And we get to do it all over again, folks. For all my legacy family on the YouTube streams, appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll be posting a little bit later to keep you guys motivated in the community. For all my market makers that are streaming with me right now, hopefully all you guys printed as well. Steve, G, Carmona,
Yes.
Mooser, love you boys. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. I will catch y'all later. Your boy's freaking out. We printed too much today. I gotta go.
See you later.
Mic drop
Be blessed, everybody.
later on.
All right, Steve, have a good one, brother.
Yeah.
Tim, I'm not forgetting about you either, brother. Have a great rest of your night, bro. And I will see you tonight for the Traders Hangout. Be blessed, bro.